Hello everyone, Rapneet Bala welcomes you back to her channel. If you are on a gluten-free diet and want to add ways to use pearl millet in your weight loss dietary regime, then this soft bajra roti recipe can come in handy. Bajra benefits health in more ways than one. It is a staple in Rajasthan, and if you are on a weight loss diet, then pearl millet is a powerful ingredient to include in your diet. Bajra has functional properties. It has a low glycemic index, that means it does not cause blood sugar spikes, making it a good option for diabetics as well as those on a weight control diet. To get started with this bajra roti or bajra chapati recipe, you will need to rinse and wash bajra or pearl millet very well and soak it overnight. Now you will need to discard the water the next day and grind to paste with fresh water. You may need a little amount of water to grind bajra to paste. I have taken 2 cups of bajra and half cup of water. You may need more or less. Add as much water as needed to make a smooth batter. So the water consistency does not matter here. You can add as much or as less because we will be cooking the batter. Now cook on a low flame and continue to stir constantly. Cook until this bajra batter turns into dough. Remember to keep it on a low flame, and you may add salt and little ghee if you want. I didn't. Remove in a bowl and keep aside for 30 minutes. That will help bajra absorb more water and swell. After 30 minutes, let us start making soft bajra or millet chapati without flour. And for the dry flour dusting part, I have used Amran, but you may use gluten-free flour. Roll out gently just like a chapati. Use any gluten-free flour to prevent the dough from sticking. I have used this bowl to cut the bajra chapati into a roundel and then flatten it again. Now cook on a low flame initially. Flip side and it will cook just like a normal chapati. Now turn heat too high and it puffs. I use this roti seka in Orissa. Apply ghee to keep bajra roti soft, and you can enjoy this bajra chapati with a curry of your choice. And don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and click the bell icon for constant notifications to healthy recipes on Ravneet Bhala's channel. And thank you so much Shweta Shastri for this beautiful logo. Until next time, take care, bye bye, see you soon.